What's up YouTube, it's Nejc Filipič here. So today in this tutorial I'm gonna make a chop vocal simply as it is below 5 minutes. So let's start. So first is for studio, we're gonna go to R2 downs. And now we're gonna open a new mixer. That's first for the vocals. First we're gonna go to options, audio, and here we go have let's Follow Studio SEO, and here we're gonna press this button, and here right here guys we're gonna pick the input and I'm gonna put to microphone, and that's it. We're gonna close this one, and now we're gonna open this one guys and put this button right here. It's called record. And now because of that we're gonna press this small button right here to record, and then up here we're gonna press in and out both and press yes. That's it. So now if you speak we can see that it's moving based on speaking, and then all we need to do is press this button here and press yes and say some stuff to microphone. What's up YouTube? It's Nejc Filipič here. Today we're gonna do some stuff at the same way and stuff to make more audio, and that's it guys. See you next time. Goodbye. Okay, that's as easy as it is. Now I'm gonna put back to none, so it doesn't clack. And now let's listen. We're gonna press this one more time and press stop and press spacebar. What's up YouTube? It's Nejc Filipič here. Today we're gonna do some stuff at the same way and stuff to make more audio, and that's it guys. See you next time. Good. Okay, so double press this one and open up this controller. So now in control we're gonna right click here and click open a new slicer channel, and that's it guys, that's it. And now I'm gonna close this one and open up this pattern, and now this one you press piano, we have this we have like these notes all the time, see? And we're gonna make command for we already did it by now, yeah? And I'm gonna press piano, and now we can make some press, and that's it guys. Now just play some random notes. And that's pretty much it guys. That's 2:15, and now make melodies. And that's it guys. Now that's it. Now we have this pattern. We just play piano roll, and we can make melodies. It's easy as it is. So to recap it, to do one more time. And my point is it guys. My name is Nejc Filipič guys, and see you next time. Goodbye.